Do you know how to use advanced Power Query in Excel? We have this table and we need to count all the tags for a summary. Here's what we're going to do. Click on our table, then go to Data and click From Table/Range. This will open Power Query. And here we are going to select the column where we have our traffic source tags. Then click Split Columns and pick Delimiter. Here we are going to click on comma and then custom because our delimiter is a comma with a space. Then on advanced, we are going to click rows. Click OK. And now we have a new row for each event for each person. Now let's group everything based on the traffic source tag by clicking Group By and then Confirm. Now that we have our summary table, click Close and Load To. Let's place our new table here and confirm. And as you can see, we now have a summary for each traffic source tag.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.